Hello and welcome to today's graphic design tip of the day. For today's tip, we're going into Adobe Photoshop to learn how to use the symmetry option up at the top of the screen here. So you can see that there's all these different options to play with. You just use your brush tool with this, and I am adjusting my brush to about 15 pixels, and I just chose the hard round pressure brush. You can, if you would like to, use a tablet, like a Wacom tablet, to give it that pressure effect. You can turn that on right here if you are doing that. For my tutorial for today, we're just going to be doing that with a brush, so everything is going to stay consistent as far as my values. So first of all, just so you can see what the symmetry mode is, the basic one would be the vertical or horizontal symmetry. So if I choose that, it's going to give me that line of where my symmetry is going to be. Go ahead and click the check mark when it's in the place that you want it, and then using my brush tool I can follow that symmetry line, and like in their example, if you were drawing a butterfly, you can create exactly the same thing on both sides very easily using this. But you can also get much more advanced than that if you go down to the other options they have in this menu, like the mandala. You can bump up the amount of segments that it gives you here. Let's go to 8, click OK. And then everything that happens in one of these sections is going to happen in all of the sections. So it becomes pretty complex even though it's very simple to make. So I'm going to go ahead and click the check mark again, and then starting from the center, you can work your way out here, and you can see you can create these really complex forms very, very easily and quickly for your design. And there we have it, and since I have it on a separate layer, I could delete my background layer, save this as a PNG file, and bring it on top of anything else that I created with no backgrounds. I hope you enjoyed today's graphic design tip of the day.